Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I have a review video. I'm actually going to review the Bath & Body Works laundry detergent and the scent booster. So I have them right here. I've used them. I want to talk about them a little bit more. I did haul them, and then I mentioned in my haul I wanted to try these out and let you know what I think of them. So that is what I'm going to do now. So let me go ahead and start with, there's a couple things I want to make sure I don't forget to say first, because are points that I want to mention, because there is some good things about this product. So first off, okay, as we know, it's online. It's in select stores. Arden Fair Mall is the closest store around me that has them. They have some choices in their store, and then online there's a lot of choices. Now, this is your laundry detergent, right? This is, I chose Morning Rain, so I wanted to try this out. Now this is going to be, your fragrant notes are orange flower, soft musk, and fresh raindrops. This is, instead of calling it laundry detergent, it's called fabric care detergent. Now, this is super concentrated, or it's concentrated, so little goes a long way. And as I mentioned before, it says our concentrated formula combines the science of stain fighting with perfumer-created fine fragrances to reimagine what clean laundry smells like. So I did try this on different clothing and that type of thing, so I'm going to talk about that. And I actually have my red dress here. I used it on this dress. I'm going to talk about it in just a moment. But I also want to show you that they also have that I tried out the Fabric Care fragrance boosters. So I love scent booster, fragrant boosters. They always do, I feel like, help the laundry smell extra fresh. So again, we have Laundry Reimagined. Our fragrance boosters adds a load of fragrance to your laundry with perfumer created fine fragrances to reimagine again what clean laundry smells like. So same thing it says on the back as it does this one. So anyways, high efficiency, works in cold water. Now this one here is, so it smells so good, you guys. So I feel like, okay, I did it a couple different ways. I washed it, like I did it without the scent boosters. I did it with the scent boosters. I did it on like separate items with my clothes. I did one item. I did a comforter. I did clothing. And one more thing I want to mention too. There's so many points I want to talk about this, because I find like these, I love doing reviews and talking about them. And I find that there's a lot of really good things about this, because here's what I normally use, you guys. This is what I normally use, okay? This size. Do you see how big this bottle is? And this was around $16, okay? And which is, I feel like, it's always expensive. Laundry detergent is always expensive. But this here, this is not concentrated. Now, this is concentrated. Do you see how much less plastic is being used for this, and how much less space this takes? Like, the footprint that it's leaving on the earth, like this is way better than this. Like this is huge. Like there's a lot of plastic going on here, friends, and versus this. So that's the thing. I will say for me, I had a hard time with it being, I love that it's concentrated, that I want to say again, and I love that it doesn't take up a lot of plastic and waste of space on this earth, but I have a hard time with, for me, concentrated items. So for me, I have a hard time using concentrated. Not that I have a hard time using it. It's like, for me, my brain, you just need a little bit, it fills up to line 1 or 2, depending on the load. It'll tell you, you can gauge it that way. So there's 1 and line 2. Let me open this up. So let me show you here. So inside the cap, there's like these 2 lines, and I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but anyway, you can, determine how much you need based on your load size, basically. But since it's concentrated, for me, when I went to fill my cap, I have a front loader washing machine. So I'm used to putting a ton of soap in, because I use the non-concentrated like Gain. And I fill that cup like way up. I think I overfill it, honestly. I just feel like I need a lot of soap in my like laundry. And so using this was harder for me, because it seemed like there was not enough soap. But again, because my brain is not registering that it's concentrated, even though I know it is. I felt like, because I wasn't filling my soap dispenser up nearly as much as I do normally, I felt like, in my head I was going, I don't know if it's cleaning, which I know it is because it's concentrated, but it was hard for me to like grasp that. I'm just a creature of habit. Like I'm just so used to doing it the way I've been doing it. So, but I have to say, this it made my clothes smell really clean, and I know it's cleaning because it's concentrated. And the items I washed the comforter by itself. I put the comforter by itself again and I put it in the dryer, and then I brought it out and I was like, this is it is strong. And I actually put it in my daughter's room on her bed, and she had her door closed. This is right after I washed it, and I walked into her room hours later. I was like, whoa, this is strong. Like, I have never had a laundry detergent be that strong. I will say that. And I used both of these in that load. I will say that. So, and it lasted a few days. So that is like a way thumbs up. It smells really clean. The scent I chose, there's a lot of, I actually kind of want to try in the scent boosters, the sun drenched linen, because that's one of my favorite ones as well. But anyhow, this is what I'm trying to say is that it really, when I first tried these out, when the samples came out, remember I said, I can't smell it. I can't smell it. I tried it and I was like, I can't smell it. But that's because we didn't get the scent booster for the sample with it. So I feel like these two need to be together to make the best scent possible experience that you're going to get in your laundry. Okay, so I want to say that. I also tried it with just the laundry detergent by itself, and it wasn't as strong. So I feel like these two together again make a good combination if you're looking for a very strong clothing scent after you wash it. Now I also washed this red dress by itself in it. This is my red dress, and so I washed this. And it washed really nice. I air dried it right here. I hung it up to dry, but it's still, this was like over a week ago, and I can still smell the scent. It is very faint, so it's not as strong as when I first washed it. Again, for probably a few days, it was strong. Like, I'm telling you, friends, the scent is strong, okay? So I want to make that very like clear that like, I think when I first tried it, I used it on rugs, and I don't think that was probably the best. I think rugs are probably a hard one to gauge if it's really going to leave a scent, because there's so much, rugs are thick, and I don't know, something in the rugs have that rubber backing, so I don't know if that was the best one for me to first try it out. So I'm glad I gave it another chance. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this washed my dress beautifully. I used what we're looking at right here. And so, but this one, I did not put scent boosters in there because I didn't know with this type of material if I should put scent boosters in there. So I just washed it with that, and I could still smell the soap or this scent here in Morning Rain. So there's that. Okay, I hope I'm making myself clear. But what I want to say is, for me, I'm going to stick with probably, I'll use the rest of this, but I'm going to probably stick with my Gain, my good old Gain laundry detergent, because I just have such a hard time because it's concentrated. I just feel like I know it's clean. I know it's going to be clean, but I just need to fill up that cup of soap. Okay. I just have to. So, but I want to say I'm going to continue to use the scent boosters, in my laundry. It does smell really, really nice. And also I feel like Bath and Body Works should do a dryer sheet. I think that's something that because some people might be like me, like not sure how these are going to be. I think dryer sheets are a way to like tiptoe into the whole laundry, slowly getting into to trying the new laundry here, like the laundry detergent and the scent booster. So I feel like laundry sheets would probably be pretty affordable. Like, these are pricey. These are $19.95. Again, we're getting a lot concentrated, and they do have sales on these, but I think the laundry sheets are something that I would be wanting to try as well. But for the most part, I'm always gonna be honest with you guys. That's just how I am. So I won't be buying unless there's like a clearance or like a SAS on these, like they had at Christmas time. There were some on sale for Christmas time. I think it was Twisted Peppermint, a couple other ones. I probably won't buy any more laundry detergent because I'm so used to what I've been using. But then I do like the scent boosters. So that's just how I feel about it. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I'm making sense about my experience. Okay, so I want to mention this too. So I did a separate load. So I did the dress, right? I did the comforter, did a couple other loads, but I also washed like my husband's work. He has dress shirts he wears to work, and I washed them with my my own like t-shirts, like all the same colors. And those my husband, he really likes the scent. Like he really, really likes the scent. And so he said for me to let you guys know he really liked it as well. So the scent is really good. Morning Rain is really good, you guys. It's nice, clean. It has like a kind of like a nostalgic smell to it. I don't know how to explain it. Like maybe like when I was in the 80s or 90s, it just reminds me of like an older, like nostalgic laundry scent, kind of like almost like a laundromat scent, because I've been to the laundromat before. So it just smells really clean. I really like it for that reason. I love the smell of like the laundromats with the clean soap, and and then it just smells really clean. So I want to mention that. So I hope that this again video helps you guys to decide if this is something that you would want to get. But again, I'm glad I tried them out, and yeah, I'm just wanting to tell you guys what I think. And I don't always use scent boosters. I usually use like OxyClean or something else in my laundry itself, like inside the washer. But I use like fabric softener, which also makes my clothes smell really good. So Bath and Body Works may want to try a fabric softener as well. So there's other avenues of laundry that they could also go to, like besides just these items as well, because we all have our different ways of doing our laundry, I'm sure. And so yeah, but anyways, you guys, that is it for this review video. I hope it helped. I thank you so much for being here, and let me know if you want me to review any more laundry detergents, or maybe try another different scent. Have you tried these? What are your thoughts? Online, there's really good on the Bath and Body Works website. A lot of people are saying a lot of good things about this as well, and so that's really nice to see. So thank you guys again so much for being here, and I will see you very soon in another store walkthrough, haul, or both. So till next time, friends, take care and God bless. I'll see you soon. Happy shopping and happy doing your laundry, friends. I'll see you soon. Bye, friends. See you soon.